It always makes me anxious when I want to work out of my comfort zone. Yes, in this particular design, we will be making some cut works and different shape beads which are out of my comfort zone. Comment which part of jewelry making makes you anxious. So let's get into the video. Welcome to Terracotta Planet. I have already made a round clay slab and kept it ready for adding details. I'm using a lid to mark the outline of the first layer. Using a V-shaped tool, I'm marking impressions all along the outermost layer. Then using a paper cutting knife, I'm connecting the V shape to the outline of the layer. Now I went ahead and started to cut the clay in a V shape at the outermost layer. Once this is done, I went ahead and marked the second layer using a lipstick lid, filling that layer with a round impression. For the next layer, I am using a pin and making pores so that it looks like a pollen or a center of a sunflower. We are almost done with the detailing part. Now moving on to beads, I am making a conical shape bead. For this I am starting with a round bead and tapping the bead in the flat surface. Simultaneously, I am pinching the clay using 3 fingers. So it starts to form a cone shape. Once it forms a rough cone shape, I am gently rolling it in the flat surface continuously and continuing the process of pinching and rolling. So this will give you a proper conical shape. So once I get the proper conical shape, I am adding details to the bead using the fettling knife and attaching a U-pin to that. I also went ahead and attached ghungroo beads to the conical bead. We have the bead ready now. I used a round cookie cutter to cut a part of the round pendant so that we get a kind of moon shape and attached a U-pin to it. Now with the help of tweezer, I am attaching these conical beads to the pendant. I am attaching a stick bead to the rest of the pendant. I did similar conical bead for earrings and the whole set is ready. I hope the video was useful. If you liked the video, kindly like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.